Hey guys, today I'm working on a 2003 Dodge 2500 5.9 liter diesel engine, and we're having a charging issue. And this is a really quick thing you can check before you do any pulling of batteries or alternators. All we're checking is the cable that goes from the alternator to the positive side of the battery terminal, looking for cracking or any signs that it might not be performing how it should be. We also want to check the connectivity between the two to just make sure that our fusible link has not melted and isn't causing us issues. This wire goes from this post under your air over to your positive terminal. Mine was put right here. It might be on the end, just depends on where someone else has placed it. But you might be able to look at it while it's on there. It's also really quick to take it off to just check it all over and make sure there are no cracks on it. So as you can see, we've got some obvious cracking in it. And I was actually going to try to salvage the fusible link here, but there is corrosion all the way up it, so I'm thinking water got in it and traveled all the way up there. So I had to buy a whole new thing, which ended up being easier and cheaper just to buy one instead of trying to make one myself. So I will link the new one that I got in the description, and hopefully yours is a quick and easy repair like this. Okay, so to check your fusible link, you're going to get your voltmeter here and set it to right here, which is going to check to see if there's continuity. And this one should beep if we do. And so I've got one probe on this side and one probe on the other side, and it is beeping, so we do have continuity. So this is a good fusible link, but I think we were having voltage drop because of our cracked wire here, I believe. So we're going to throw a new one in and make sure that that's not the issue. If you did not have continuity between, so say this wasn't cut and you checked, you went from this side to this side and you did not have continuity, then that would mean that your fusible link was probably melted and you need a new wire. So either way, this is a easy, quick thing to replace that is a lot cheaper than having to do a whole new alternator. So this is the one I got from Pro Source Diesel. You want to make sure that the fusible link is 8 gauge and that your fat wire is 4 gauge. Unless you have an upgraded alternator, then I think this wire is going to be 2 gauge, and I'm not sure what your fusible link will be, but it may be different if you have the upgraded alternator. But I just have a stock alternator, so this is the one I'm using. When you're reinstalling, the fusible link side goes towards the battery. I'm not sure if it makes a huge difference, but that's the way the original one was. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe, and if you have more to add, please comment. I am an amateur, so if you have extra things to put in there that maybe would help someone else or myself, I appreciate the comments. As always, stay independent out there.